just arrived from our cabin. Here we stayed at regular cabin Cielo Alto here in Sampaloc, Tanay, Rizal. Okay, this is a A-frame cabin made from steel, square, hollow section, painted in a wooden finish. The insulation of the frame of the roofing is made from modular with gypsum board and also a filler inside, and with a roofing of a slate gray shingles. The floor is made from SPC wooden tiles, and also from the outside we can see the deck veranda is made from steel white finish, squared hollow section, steel railings, and also the flooring is made from plastic mold decking, which is more durable and more build efficient, unlike using the real floor. So aside from the cabin, inside the cabin is a spacious yet functional. We can see on the front a controls for the lights, controls for the fan, and also a switches that you can switch on and off for the light outside, inside the cabin. And also we got some bed just on the floor, and on the other side we can see a tatami table which you can sit like on the floor, and a beanbag, and they also included a umbrella just in case na umulan. And also sa harap we can see a functional and working television na merong GMA for the box, and also it is a smart TV na mayroong movies inside. We try to watch some movies. Yan. The only downside is kulang sa saksakan. I think parang rigang switch lang yung saksakan. Yan lang. Meron pa nakasaksak na some kind of insect repellent, and also may on the other side ng saksakan may nakasaksak din na adapter para may saksak yung TV, as well as kung ano mang pwedeng masaksak. And under its table makakita ka ng freebies, which is a coffee. Meron din silang initan ng tubig that you can use but you cannot bring it outside. Meron din silang free na mineral water, drinking water inside, and also yun nga, coffee, a sugar. And on the bed, meron na rin silang kasama toiletries. We got some dental kit and a toilet paper or tissue, a towels for two, and also some other toiletries like shampoo, conditioner. Though meron din naman sila sa pinakang shared toilet nila, toilet and bath, na shampoo and conditioner inside when you get in here. So when you pass the entrance, meron tayong makikita mga stalls like souvenir shop, a convenience store, and also lots of options na pwede mong bilhin. Right outside the accommodation, meron silang like potato corner, meron silang kebab, meron silang para mga chicken fingers, and also this crab. At the same time, pagpasok natin dito sa may entrance, makikita natin tong malaking signage ng Cielo Alto, which has a spacious parking na fitted naman if may dala kayong sasakyan or sedan. But in our case, commute tayo, and at the end of the vlog, i-share ko yung aming guide, commuter guide, coming from Lucena City, Quezon to Sampaloc, Tanay, Rizal. Yun. Then upon entering the entrance
what?
redundant na masyado. Upon the entrance, makikita nyo yung reception. Okay. And going to the left side, bubungad agad sa inyo yung restaurant nila, which serves from 7 a.m. to 9 or 10. Pero I think meron sila live band tuwing gabi, which is nagsisimula ng mga 6 natatapos ng mga 8, ganun. Meron siyang 2 sets, and they also has a huge variety of foods that you can choose. In our case, umorder kami ng kalang bestseller na per kare-kare, plain rice, and also can of soda na lang. Sa labas, bumili rin kami ng crepe just for dessert. Sa dessert, siguro limited lang sila sa dessert. Dahil ba yung dessert nila tapos hindi pa available yung turon. Available lang nila this time is Leche Plan. So bumili kami ng crepes outside. Okay naman yung kare-kare nila. They have some bits of peanuts on it. Medyo okay din yung lasa. Hindi naman siya greasy, hindi rin masyadong bland. So sa rice, nagulat kami. It's a platter. We thought it's for 2 to 3 packs pero napakadami and that naubos naman namin as you can see in here in the video. For the menu, ipa-flash ko lang dito sa vlog yung menu. I-post na lang. Okay, they have different types of amenities here and activities that I will discuss with the receptionist if pumayag siya or what. Pero yun. See you.
Sir, mini cabin, regular cabin, loft cabin, and family cabin, and holiday room. Bali sa ngayon, sir, meron din po kaming mga carnival games, and then bumper car, go-kart, yan po. Aside from that, meron din po kaming bonfire area. Sa bonfire area natin, sir, 350 for one set of food na po yun. Naglalas yun pa for 20 to 25 minutes. Then, you can stay there for 2 hours. Pwede po yun, actually, exclusive na po yun pagka magpapabook po kayo. For example, dalawa lang po kayo, exclusive na po yun. Yes po. Sa carnival naman po, 150 per game. Pero ngayon po, may promotional rate sila, 500 for 5 games na po. Sa bumper car naman po, 150 for 10 minutes, and then go-kart 300 for 10 minutes.
Booking the regular cabin, they also offer free breakfast included in promotion. We choose to eat American breakfast and also the Tapsilog breakfast. In terms of shared meal, we always had this idea of splitting the dish in two so that we can have an experience and taste everything on the order, like this breakfast, just splitting the tapsilog, the pancakes, and also the bacon, so that we can taste that we ordered while sitting on our veranda and creating the nature of the Rizal. The American breakfast is composed of pancakes, eggs, and also a bacon, veggies on the side. The tapsilog, it has a beef tapa on it, sun side up egg, and a garlic rice. Both have veggies on the side. For the drinks, we choose both coffee. It is nice to eat breakfast right on veranda. Aside from the view, you can have more privacy, and also you can feel the nature as you enjoy eating breakfast. So here is the commuter guide going to Cielo Alto from Lucena City, Quezon. Can be applicable po if malapit lang po kayo sa Lucena City or matatamaan po kayo ng route namin na going to Pagsanghan, or malapit po kayo sa may Fami or Sinloan or Tanay na rin. Okay, ang first route po is itong provincial bus route. Start po tayo dito sa Grand Central Terminal. Sakay po kayo ng bus na Raymond, which is na may biyahe na papuntang Real at Infanta. Sabihin niyo po sa conductor is papababa po kayo ng Fami. Ang pamasahe po dun is 150 pesos. Pagbaba po nyo ng Fami is tricycle naman po kayo papuntang Sinuluan Market. So ang pamasahe naman po dun is 30 pesos. So, baba nyo po ng Sinuluan Market, sakay naman po kayo ng jeep going to Tanay Terminal. pamasahe po dun is 60 pesos. Okay, pag nasa Tanay Terminal na po kayo, pwede po kayo mamili. It's either mag-try po kayo directly going to Sialo Alto or mag-jeep po uli kayo, which is a 2 jeep ride na medyo hassle if nagmamadali kayo. So ang tinake po namin is nag-trike na lang po kami going to Sialo Alto directly. 200 pesos naman po yung pamasahe. But if hindi naman po nagmamadali, you can take the jeep route. Sakay po kayo ng jeepney papuntang Sampaloc. Then pagkababa niyo po ng Sampaloc, mayroon pong isang jeep uli doon and sakay po kayo doon. Pababa naman po kayo ng Martes M Cafe. Katabi na po niya is Sialo Alto na medyo malapit naman po pag nilakad nyo na po paloob. Okay, yung second route naman po is using the Manila Bus route or Cubao route. Starting with the Grand Central Terminal, sakay po kayo ng bus papuntang Cubao. Either ito po yung Jackliner, Lucena Liner or DLTB. 200 po yung pamasahe doon. Okay, pagbaba nyo po na Cubao, sakay naman po kayo ng jeep papuntang Kogyo Antipolo po. Ang pamasahe naman po doon is 77 pesos. Pagbaba nyo po ng Kogyo Market Antipolo, may nag-aantay po uling jeep doon. Papunta naman po siyang Sampaloc. Yung jeep naman po yun is diretso Marilaki na po. Sabihin nyo po sa conductor is baba po kayo ng Martes M Cafe. Ang pamasahe po dun is 90 pesos. Yan. For going back home, pag mabalik na po kayo is use it vice versa. Patulad po sa provincial and sa Manila. Yan. Both kahit balik na rin niyo po siya. So in our case, tinry po namin parehas para may share po namin tong commuter guide.
By the lights of spacious restaurant, mini carnival fun, giving all that you want. Go-kart on the track, feel the freedom in the air. Bonfire stories glowing, memories everywhere. Jacuzzi nights so warm under starlit skies. Cielo Alto dreams habang hawak ang iyong kamay. Cielo Alto place where the clouds embrace, where the heart finds peace in this magic space. Sa Tanay Rizal we found our getaway, breathing in the beauty, we could stay all day.
Yan po. Sana pinakatulong po kami. Don't forget to like and share our blog. Follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Yun lang po. And see you on our next travel.
We found